Good morning, beautiful people. We made it. It's Friday. We succeeded in this week. Yes. Come on. You should be excited. You are more than conquerors. You are victorious. You have succeeded in your task. God gave you the ability, the know-how, the tenacity, and the knowledge to do everything that you set out to do this week. Yes, I'm speaking it into existence, even if it did not happen. We have to know how to speak those things as though they were. Come on. If you need more power, ask God for power. If you need more anointing, ask him for the anointing increase over your entire life. Come on, we go through. It's okay, because when you go through, you have to come out. And when you come out with an attitude of praise. That's all I got.